Okay, let's dive right into this explainer and uncover the absolute unsung hero of your PC's operating system. Seriously, when things go sideways with your software, this is the tool that literally swoops in to save the day. Welcome, everyone. Today we're exploring a deeply powerful yet kind of overlooked corner of Microsoft Windows.
We've all been there, right? You're staring at a cluttered hard drive, a constantly crashing app, or some pesky software that absolutely refuses to leave your system. I mean, you click delete on a desktop shortcut and think, great, job done, only to find the program is still quietly running in the background. But here's the thing, the ultimate solution to these headaches might be hiding right under the hood of your PC, just waiting for you to use it.
So here's our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Meet programs and features. 2. Accessing the control center. 3. The core superpowers. 4. Managing advanced Windows features. And finally, 5. Why it still matters. We've got a great backstage tour planned, so let's get right to it. Section 1. Meet programs and features. Let's see exactly how this tool builds the very foundation of proper PC maintenance.
So what exactly is programs and features? Well, it's a dedicated control panel applet that gives you a complete, unvarnished list of all the software installed on your computer, replacing the old Add or Remove Programs utility from the Windows XP days. Man, that takes me back. This centralized control room has been reliably saving IT professionals across literal generations of operating systems. We're talking all the way from Windows Vista up to the current Windows 11.
Moving right along to Section 2, accessing the control center, because finding the dashboard is half the battle.
You know what's really fascinating here? Microsoft has essentially tucked this incredibly powerful tool away, hiding it from their shiny modern interface over the years. Now sure, if you want to take the scenic route, you can open your Start menu, search for the classic control panel, click on Programs, and eventually navigate to your traditional Programs and Features list. It works for sure, but it takes a few clicks.
Or you can bypass those menus entirely using this secret IT Pro shortcut. Just hit the Windows key plus R to open your Run command, type in appwiz.cpl, and hit Enter. Boom! You instantly launch the dashboard. This little trick is universally recognized by system admins as hands down the absolute fastest method to get into this tool on practically any version of Windows.
All right, Section 3, the core superpowers. Once you're actually inside the dashboard, let's look at its main functions. Right off the bat, this interface gives you this fantastic eagle-eye view of everything installed on your machine, and it's so customizable. You can sort the list by software publishers, exact installation dates, file sizes, and even those super specific version numbers. This level of detail makes it incredibly easy to single out massive programs eating up your storage, or to finally track down that outdated, unwanted software that just needs to go.
And this right here is where the absolute magic happens. You've got 3 main options. Uninstalling is pretty obvious. It completely removes an app. But the really crucial point here is that second option, repair. Seriously, if Microsoft Word or some heavy enterprise application keeps crashing on you because of missing DLL errors, please don't waste your time reinstalling it from scratch. Just use the repair option to automatically fix broken shortcuts and corrupted files. Finally, the modify option lets you tweak specific features, like adding a tool to Microsoft Office without touching the rest of the installation. Such a time saver. Let's shift gears to Section 4, Managing Advanced Windows Features. Time to pop the hood and dive deep into the gritty mechanics garage of Windows.
So subtly located on the left side of the dashboard is a little link called Turn Windows Features On or Off. Don't let the plain text fool you. Clicking this unlocks a small but truly mighty menu packed with some serious professional-grade capabilities. For example, web developers use this exact menu to enable Internet Information Services, or IIS, for local website hosting and testing.
And this next feature brilliantly illustrates the hidden power you've got right at your fingertips, Windows Sandbox. By enabling this, you create a temporary virtual environment right on your desktop. Think of it as your very own digital quarantine zone. You can open suspicious files, test out completely unknown software, and just experiment safely. The absolute best part? The second you close the sandbox, everything inside is automatically and permanently deleted. Poof, gone. Your main operating system is never at risk.
Now, for the developers and cybersecurity enthusiasts out there, this same menu also houses the Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL. This is huge. It lets you run native Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Debian, or even a hacker favorite like Kali Linux directly inside Windows. You get all access to powerful Linux command line tools without the massive headache and resource drain of setting up a full virtual machine. It's incredibly slick.
But hey, if you do want the whole shebang, full virtual machines to test entirely different operating systems or to learn server administration, you can absolutely do that too. Simply checking the Hyper-V box right here in this menu instantly enables Microsoft's native hardware virtualization platform. It is literally an entire IT lab, just sitting there waiting for a checkmark.
Which brings us to our final part, Section 5, why it still matters. Let's break down why we still desperately need this legacy tool in today's computing world.
As you've probably noticed, Microsoft is gradually pushing everyday users toward the clean, modern Settings app. And look, it's great. It has simple navigation, and it's absolutely fine for basic uninstalls. But when it comes to serious system maintenance and enterprise administration, the old-school control panel still holds all the trump cards.
Because when push comes to shove, and you are dealing with a completely busted enterprise installer, missing program registries, or you just really need to manage deep system resources, the Legacy Programs and Features tool simply outperforms the modern showroom. It offers far better support for older applications, and it provides those robust repair options and advanced features that the new Settings app just hasn't fully replicated yet.
So, what does this all mean for us? It leaves us with a pretty fascinating thought to end on. As software design continues to evolve towards simpler, more locked-down aesthetics, is newer actually always better? Or are we slowly trading away the essential deep-level diagnostic power that power users and IT professionals have relied on for decades? So next time your PC starts acting up, remember the secret power hidden right there in appwiz.cpl. It might just be the exact lifesaver you need. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next one.